recipes, secret recipes. Delicious cafe in Capo d'Orlando. This guy is very famous for his pastry, his pizzas, espressos, granitas, Italian ices. I'm going to show you how to make them at home today. So follow us over there. We'll have some fun, eat some good food. We'll show you how to make it. Okay? Main piazza, and we're going to go to the cafe now. Follow me. So here we are. This is it, the delicious cafe in Capo d'Orlando. A place for amazing desserts, main courses, drinks, Pizza set. Well, hello, I'm here in Capo d'Orlando, Sicily, with Franco Lazzara, the owner of this fantastic place.
Gli ingredienti per fare le arancine.
He's getting ready to make the ragu, which is the meat sauce, to put inside the arancini, which we're going to show you how we make this. Okay, first we have carrots, peeled carrots. We got 3 carrots. Okay, so onion. We got an onion. We got 2 stalks of celery. This is bay leaf.
Allora, prepariamo un trito di cipolla, sedano e carote.
Got a nice mixture of chopped carrots, onions, and celery. This is first press olive oil, locally made. Yeah, put that baby in that frying pan. Okay, looks beautiful. We're going to put it on the stove there. And saute this.
Rosoliamo gli ingredienti.
For about 5 minutes, maybe 7 or 10. Come si sa quando è pronta?
Quando appassisce un pochettino è pronto.
Okay, when it gets kind of pasty, it's done. We got mortadella col pistacchio.
Tagliato da
beef. Okay, the saute is now ready for the next step. Saute the meat in there with the other ingredients. Put the mortadella, cold cut with the pistachio. bit of salt here. Quant'è questo? Una cucchiara?
Un po' di pepe.
There's about a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper,
E un po' di noci moscate.
and about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg. Yeah, it's starting to smell good. Profumo bello, buono, buono profumo.
Con un po' di vino bianco, un bicchiere di
Put
vino.
one little glass of white wine. Yeah, you gotta get that meat drunk. Yes. The wine after once the meat is brown,
Si fa evaporare il vino.
then cook the ingredients until the wine evaporates.
Prepariamo il riso mettendo 2 litri e 3 di acqua in una pentola.
That's 2.5 quarts of water.
Grammi di brodo vegetale,
Okay, 60 grams of vegetable extract and
e 160 grammi di burro.
160 grams, 160 grams of butter. Salato o non salato? O burro? No. Normale, senza sale?
Senza sale. C'è il dado che fa la
Yeah,
sale.
saffron. Very
E 3
expensive.
bustine di zafferano.
Three, this is like gold. Red saffron. And we'll put it right in the mix. Yeah, put that baby on the fire. Meanwhile, the meat and other stuff is sauteing. But the wine is evaporated.
Cominciamo la passata di pomodoro.
Tomato puree. Yeah. Put enough tomato puree to cover the meat.
Adesso si lascia cucinare a fuoco lento per almeno un'ora.
Okay, so we're going to cook the meat and all the ingredients with the tomatoes for about an hour.
E aggiustiamo col sale.
Add a little bit of salt to taste. A little bit more pepper.
E un po' di noce.
A little bit more nutmeg. Alright, we'll put in some tomato paste to thicken up the sauce. And make sure you stir the meat every so often so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Almost ready.
Quando l'acqua raggiunge l'ebollizione si versa il riso.
When the water is boiling,
Sparge per bene.
Make sure you evenly pour it. Okay, when the water starts boiling again, lower the flame and let it simmer without touching it. The rice is not to be stirred, so only make sure it's level with the spoon, very gently. Okay, now it's boiling, so we're going to lower the flame.
Quando l'acqua è quasi tutta evaporata, il riso è pronto per essere messo sul banco a raffreddare.
When the water
is evaporated and the rice is ready to cool down to make the arancini. It's almost ready. Okay, the rice is ready. The water is pretty much evaporated. You can see the rice on the top, ready to cool down. Quanto ha cucinato?
Il tempo che ha assorbito l'acqua.
Mezz'ora?
Mezz'oretta, 20
Probably
minuti.
about half hour until the water gets all absorbed. Cooking.
Non essendo stato girato.
The rice is not stuck to the bottom of the pan even though it was not stirred.
Ora mantechiamo con 160 grammi di parmigiano.
100 quanto?
160 grammi di parmigiano.
Okay, 160 grams of grated parmesan, fresh grated parmesan. Stir it up, baby, up. Yeah.
Generale Capo.
Then we'll put it down
Yeah.
on a cold table, clean cold table.
Si stende per farlo raffreddare il più velocemente possibile.
Put it there so it gets cold as fast as possible. Okay, the meat is ready now. It was normally it's made with ground beef, but this time you use real pieces of beef to make it much better. So the meat's been ground now, and it's ready to stuff the arancinis. The ragu sauce, you can make pasta, any kind of pasta, whatever you want to put it on. It's the same thing to make the pasta. So we have here peas. Che formaggio è questo qua?
Evamer.
Contina cheese. Juice. And the peas. And then mix it all together.
Adesso possiamo curare pure con le mani perché
Okay, so mix. Quasi uguale la porzione?
sì, no, meno piselli, meno formaggio, più ragù.
Half the meat, 1/4 cheese, 1/4 peas. Approximately. Everything's approximate. Okay. Now the rice is cold, it's been cooling. Now it's ready to go. Nice. Now you make like a snowball. You put that mixture ready in there. Okay, make it like a little volcano. This one, you're going to shape it up. Huh. Round. It's a little Sicilian hand grenade. Explodes in your mouth with flavor once it's cooked. They are called Arancini, which means small oranges, because they resemble the shape of an orange. Okay, gotta make sure there's about 3 or 4 pieces of cheese. And the rest is the mixture. Okay, we're down to the last, oh, it's going to be a very small arancini.
Diciamo un arancinetto piccolo.
Yeah, it's a baby arancini. We have 2.2 pounds of rice. We have 24 arancinis. 24. We have flour and water. About a little more looser than pancake batter. Take the arancini, tighten them up in your hands, dip them in the flour and water. Okay, down to the last one. They all have taken a bath in flour and water. Now they're ready for the next step.
Riga di pane, pane di grano duro.
Okay, this is round hard bread from wheat that's made into breadcrumbs. Okay, now we put it inside the bowl the breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil. I think it's either corn or peanut oil. Either one will work. Getting ready hot so we can cook the.
Ready for the oil.
Right in there. You know, it's nice and hot. And the way you tell if the oil is ready, you put a couple drops of water in there when it starts cooking. Now we're going to look inside here. Yeah. Ready to eat? Que profumo. Smells so good. Making me hungry. Franco, che pensi? Franco, come sono venuti?
Buonissimi. Arancini più buoni della costa.
Bravo, sei proprio bravo. Sei un artista del mangiare. There we go. Che ne pensi? Come sono?
Eccezionali.
Eccezionale. Ora assaggiamo, vediamo come sono. Pigliamo da
Arancini.
Yeah.
A te, grazie.
Okay. The true test of the food. Here we go. What about? Delicious. Oh my God. Oh my God. All these flavors just explode in my mouth. You can taste the saffron, the meat, the beef, the cheese, the breadcrumbs, the rice, everything. Buonissimi! No? A salute. Ciao ragazzi. Excellent. Ora mangiamo roulette. And now that I worked so hard, let's go up front and see what treats they got. Desserts, yeah.
Occhi di bue al pistacchio, occhi di bue al cioccolato, occhi di bue alla marmellata, il cannolo con la ricotta. Poi abbiamo le brioche giganti e i cornetti. Cannolo. Vuoi il cannolo? Ecco il cannolo.
But I think I'm gonna have a real gelato here. Nocciola, chocolate, vanilla, pistachio, strawberry, panna. Oh my God, which one do I want? Great food, ice cream, granitas, everything you want right here. If you can't make it for you, then it doesn't exist. It's fantastic. I'm satisfied. I recommend 100%. Delicious cafe, Capo, Sicily, Antonio Mystic, saying goodbye until next time. Okay, Franco, grazie tanto. Ciao, ci vediamo in Italia. Fantastic place here. Franco Lazzara is the owner. Just come and see him here in Capo. Whatever you want, he'll make for you. Dessert, ice cream, granita, pizza, focaccia, arancini, pasta, whatever you want. He's got it. Oh, fantastic place. Ciao for now from Capo. Ciao Francesco, grazie. Grazie. Okay, so we had some fun, ate some great food yesterday over there at the cafe. Well, I hope you can make it at home. Just try it. It's easy to cook because you're really making it for yourself. You can't make a mistake. Italian food is easy to cook. You just got to get the flavor. We're right here in the Mediterranean where the flavor is fantastic. Buon appetito! Mangiate buono! Eh? Peace and love to you and spread it around, please. One world, one people, one God.
One.